My Delonghi Piquino air conditioner is saying la after about 5 to 10 minutes of running.
Do you know the model of your Delonghi AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
It is packed 140 HVAC.
How long has this been going on with your Delonghi air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Just since I started it up this season.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Please read entire message before responding. Hi there, my name is Vay, got over 10 years in the trade, and I'll be glad to help. Please disregard any automated phone request or service requests as they are generated by the website. You do not have to accept phone requests unless you want that service. Please bear with my responses, I may be actively working on the job site also. There may be a slight delay in between our messages. Hope you are doing well today. How old is the unit? La means it's in frost protection mode. Take the filter off and look for evidence of frost.
No frost. Are you still there?
What's the temperature of the room? How old is this unit?
The unit is approximately 8 years old, about 80.
I see. Can you hear if the compressor running?
The compressor is running, just not blowing long enough.
Yeah, this could be a multitude of things. Bad thermistor, bad board, or low on gas. All are going to be fairly expensive. The second two especially. I don't know how in-depth you want to go with it, but diagnosis will require opening the unit and doing some exploratory surgery, and a multimeter will be necessarily. It's rarely worth the effort or cost for an 8-year-old unit.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. Hope that I was helpful, courteous and kind. If you don't mind, please take a few seconds of your time and remember to rate the question positively with the stars on the top left. There should be an option that says something along the lines of finish and rate your expert. Completing the rating credits me for answering you, but it does not close the question. You can ask follow questions after rating my services in the same box free of charge with no time constraints. Thanks and have a blessed and safe day, Tamar.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.